In today's video, we're gonna talk about calories, that what is calories and how you can lose or gain weight with the help of calories. After watching this video, you will be able to know about that if you are fat, then why you are fat, and if you are skinny, then why you are skinny. So let's get started. So what is calories in actual? Calories is an energy which we get from the food, and then we use that particular calories or energy by doing our daily life activities. So a normal human being burn approximately 2000 calories per day. But if we talk about the sportsmen, they burn more calories as compared to a normal human being because they are much active as compared to us. So here what happened with the people who are overweight, they eat more than 2000 calories per day. They burn 2000 calories per day, but they eat more than 2000, so the remaining calories stores in their body in the shape of fats, due to which their bodies start gaining fat and they become fat with the passage of time. But here, if we talk about the underweight people, they eat less calories than 2000 per day, due to which their body gets some extra calories from their muscles, due to which they become skinny and weak. So if you want to lose weight, eat 15,000 calories per day and your body will automatically burn off the remaining fats 500 from your body per day. Your body will remove 500 calories from your body per day if you eat only 15,000 calories per day, and you will automatically lose 500 calories per day. And similarly, if you are underweight, eat more than 2000 calories and your body will starting store the remaining calories and you will gain weight. And if you want to maintain it, eat 2000 calories per day and your body will burn it also, so you will maintain. So now the question arises in our mind that how many calories is present in 1 kg. So don't worry, I will tell you there are 7000 calories, approximately 7000 calories in 1 kg. But if you want to lose weight quickly, so do some extra exercise. Due to exercise, you can burn a lots of fats and you can burn a lots of calories as compared to doing normal activities in your life. But remember this, that eat at least 13,000 calories per day, otherwise it will harmful for you. And in that particular diet of 15,000 calories, you have to eat 50% of carbs, 30% of proteins and 20% of fats as well, which is extremely important for you. Carbs give you energy of doing different activities, protein give strength to your muscles, and the fats is really essential thing in your body which take glow on your skin. And fats is also plays an important role in giving glow to your skin, so fats is also extremely important. If you burn 500 calories per day, so it means that you are losing 7000 calories in 14 days, and 7000 is equal to 1 kg, so it means that you will lose 1 kg in 14 days without exercise and without anything. Automatically your body will burn fats. But if you eat 15,000 per day, your body will automatically lose 500 calories fats per day. So from today, start your calories count and focus on that what you are eating in a day, because diet is the number one thing in making your body. And my first priority is that focus on what you are eating in a day. It is the first thing, it is the first step to improve if you are want to change your body, your lifestyle. So focus on your calories count. If you are overweight, eat at least 15,000 with 15% of carbs, 30% of proteins and 20% of fats per day, and burn out your remaining fats from the body. And if you are skinny, then eat over 2000 calories and store some extra fats in your body, and then convert into that fats into muscles with the help of gym and lots of other exercises. If you like the video, so please like the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified from the each and every video of my channel. Thank you so much.